Hola a todos, bienvenidos a la segunda parte de nuestro viaje a Minneapolis, Minnesota. Quiero recordarle que nuestro canal es bilingüe y por favor suscríbanse. Estamos aquí en las cataratas, se llaman Minneapolis Falls. Es la primera vez que yo las visito y también para los hombres también. James está aquí, acaba de despertarse y pues disfrutan las cataratas.
He's enjoying looking around so far, right?
Yeah.
We're going to take a little walk through the neighborhood. There's a really cool area here where we can walk to a local school.
Nice houses.
Yeah, it's a beautiful neighborhood. It's a really friendly neighborhood, well established, huge trees. And I used to walk this way with my little cousins to go to their school to play soccer. And there's this kind of back pathway. We'll show you in a little bit.
So is this Plymouth?
Yeah, we're in Plymouth in a neighborhood on a trail that goes from one of the neighborhoods to the local school.
So all the kids get to walk through here whenever they're going to school. That's pretty awesome.
James likes it.
You like it, James? Say hi. James, tell everybody to subscribe. James. So we're at Uptown Art Festival. Just kind of walking around and looking at art.
Oh, he took off his sunglasses.
James had his glasses on and took them off. Lots of cool stuff.
We were just with some friends of ours, and our friend's husband's cousin actually has a booth here. He falls asleep.
Gosh, we walked what, like 4 miles or something? It's been crazy.
Today's tour.
This is a pretty big art festival. It's very exciting.
Spans many streets. Lots of good food too.
There's some good woodwork. Yeah, this right there on that road, it goes down probably maybe a mile that way. Pretty big.
Here we are at Minneapolis Falls. This is the first time any of us have been here, and it wasn't too hard to find parking. There are some lots and then street parking, and you can pay on an app or on the pay stations. It was inexpensive. For 3 hours it was, or excuse me, 2 hours it was $3. And right here, this is apparently Steven's house, and that must be Steven. We're gonna go and see if we can explore the waterfalls.
Look at that tree, how close it is to the ground.
Oh my gosh. It's heavy. From what I understand, this park was established before laws that required accessibility
so it's probably not going to be accessible with our stroller or for those using wheelchairs. Apparently there's some back way that you can park, but we were going to try to walk around this area first and see if maybe we can carry James down the steps. Of course, right now he's taking a needed nap, so we'll wait to take him out until he wakes up, and then if we feel like going around the other way, we may do that as well. But it seems like there's a lot of beauty to be appreciated from up here. Oh, he's awake. Oh good, it's not an immediate cliff.
We're back in the waterfalls. Good view from here. So I guess anybody can come here anytime. It's a huge park. Like I don't even know how many miles, but this is nice.
The map is kind of cool because it looks like a tree. Like you can go in multiple arcs around it, and then there are branches that go through the arcs. So you can go on all the different paths. There are people reading. There's a little mini flower park. There's a pavilion with lots of food. It's a seafood place that has lots of wine and beers. Free water.
¿Qué piensas, James? Ni te acuerdas.
His teeth are getting sharp.
We rented a lime that we just saw on the street. Never done this before, but here she comes super fast. Look at your mom. She comes. Ahí viene rápido. ¿Qué te parece?
Muy rápido.
Muy rápido.
Sí.
Oh, cutie.
Ahí viene Elizabeth en la scooter de lime. ¿Qué piensas, James? Vamos al parque. Oh yeah.
He's like kicking it himself.
Estamos en el centro de Minneapolis.
Vamos a Fogo de Chao.
Fogo de Chao es un restaurante brasileño. Mostraremos fotos cuando estemos adentro. So we're at Fogo de Chao. Elizabeth is eating pie de queijo, and she's drinking a virgin caipirinha. I got an actual caipirinha, and I started with the salad bar, so doing pretty good. And James is sleeping. This place is pretty nice.
Your turn.